the hidden sugar that ages you. They say beauty fades with time. But what if time isn't the enemy? What if it's the sugar in your coffee, quietly stealing your youth one sip at a time? Every morning we crave sweetness. A muffin, a latte, a little syrup drizzle to make the day feel lighter. But inside your body, that sweetness starts a tiny fire, a chemical reaction that scientists call glycation. Glycation happens when sugar molecules stick to your collagen, the protein that keeps your skin smooth and elastic. Once that bond forms, it stiffens the fibers, like glue drying on silk. The result? Fine lines, dullness. That I slept well but still look tired kind of face. You don't feel it happening. There's no pain, no warning, just years of tiny choices. Extra sugar in your coffee, sweetened yogurt, late-night desserts. Each moment harmless on its own. But together they start writing years across your face. Imagine your skin as a beautiful white shirt. Each sugar spike is like ironing it with too much heat. Little burns that you can't reverse. Over time, the fabric loses its glow, its softness. That's what happens inside your skin. But here's the good news. You can stop it, even reverse part of the damage, because your body is always rebuilding itself. Collagen is renewed, cells are replaced, and every small decision counts. Start small. Cut down on added sugar, not completely, just consciously. Swap fruit for candy. Drink your coffee black or with cinnamon instead of syrup. Add more antioxidants, berries, green tea, vitamin C. They help fight glycation and protect your collagen army. This isn't about restriction. It's about respect. Respecting your skin, your body, your future self. When you eat cleaner, your skin listens. It glows. It thanks you quietly, consistently. Because aging gracefully isn't about fighting time. It's about working with it. Choosing habits that slow the invisible fires inside you, and letting your natural beauty, not sugar, define your glow. So next time you reach for something sweet, remember sugar doesn't just sweeten your life, it marks it. Choose wisely and your mirror will tell a different story.